Guys, something happened. Something happened, guys. I don't know which Atletico I chose, but I chose Atletico, and they played and they in. Which Atletico is that? Because I chose Atletico that already played. Which one is it, guys? Because I can't even see here. They played and they won. I even have like cash out, more cash out. I really don't understand, because the Atletico I wanted to choose is this one that plays at 10, but I chose the other one rather. I don't know how, but anyway, it's fine. So here we're gonna go with Atletico, right? The reason being, the last match they played, they were away and they took the match, and as we can see here, the last game they played, 1-3 here, 0 here. They were away, I understand. Here they were away, but they managed to equalize, and then home 3, and then away 2. So all in all, when Atletico is home, you can see that it wins, takes the match. And then AC Milan, let's see when they are away, 3 here and then 2 here, right? But going to the head-to-head, AC Milan actually beat Atletico Madrid. It beat them, but okay, 3 and 4. No, guys, here we're gonna give it to Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid 3, 2. Yeah, as you can see, even on the last matches, they never really, you see, they never lose to AC Milan. Hence, we're gonna go and give it Atletico. Guys, my Atletico is already in. What's going on? I don't understand. What am I writing now? My Atletico is already in. Like, how? I'm still puzzled. Which one was that? I chose one that played at 5 o'clock and it's in. So let's go to Liverpool. Liverpool here won. Liverpool here, it was away, but it managed to score 2 goals. So let's see, because now Liverpool is home. Let's see how Liverpool plays when it's home. It's 4 here, it's 2 here, it's 2 here, and from there it was away. And as you can see, it still plays well. Let's see FC Porto when it's away. See, here it's 3, here it's 1, it's 1. So looking at the head-to-head matches, Liverpool always wins, guys. Liverpool always wins when it plays with the FC Porto. And worst part, they win with a lot of goals. They win with a lot of goals. Hence, we're gonna go and give it to Liverpool. Or should I make it at 3 odds? This sleep. So 3 odds means we're gonna give Atletico Madrid a win or draw. Atletico, let me look at it again. I don't trust it. I feel like AC Milan can draw today. I feel like today AC Milan can actually draw. I don't know why I have that feeling. So let's just go and give Atletico a win or draw, not a straight win. Let's give it a win or draw, guys, not a straight win. So remove this one and then give it a win or draw. And then Manchester City. What did it say? Manchester United. Okay. Here, when it's home. Guys, I wanted to do this sleep long time ago. I fell asleep. What did I just say? I fell asleep. I fell asleep, you guys. Let's see Manchester when it's home. 3 goals, 4 goals, 0 goals. Manchester. Rich coming from you, huh? Let's look at Paris. Paris when it's away. 2 goals and 3 goals. Okay, let's look at it when it plays with Manchester. No? Here Paris is home. I don't ever think Manchester will ever let Paris win the game again, especially now that they're away. So we're gonna go ahead and give it Manchester City or draw. Manchester City or draw. Guys, I literally hate over 1.5. It took out my nice sleep yesterday. Like my nice sleep, guys. My 22k sleep. It took it out over 1.5. I hate it. Okay. Sheriff, it's a straight win, guys. These people play 3 goals, 6 goals. 1 here, I don't know what happened. 2 there and 6 there. Let's look at the Real Madrid. 4 goals, 2 goals, 2 goals, 2 goals. Sheriff, last time when they were playing together, it was away and it managed to beat them, to beat Real Madrid. Understandings, Real Madrid is number 1, but I mean, it's Group D. I mean, I really don't fuss about it. So we're gonna go ahead and give it Sheriff or draw. I'm just doing a 3 odds or so, guys. 3, 4, maybe. What's happening? Guys, let's pause. I don't want to involve you in my things. On my sleep, to be honest, Sheriff's day, I just don't want to involve you in my problems. I don't. This is crazy. So don't put Sheriff, guys. Don't put Sheriff. Please don't. Harry and Cardiff game. 2 goals, 2 goals. 0, 3, 0. And then I was gonna say how. 2 goals, 0. Okay, so let's go to head-to-head matches. Cardiff. You can see if it's not Cardiff, it's a draw. From there, 2016. I mean, Cardiff was away. I understand. Cardiff was away here. I understand. Let's look at the standings. Cardiff is on top. So we're gonna go ahead and give it Cardiff or draw. Cardiff or draw. Oh, Fulham, I think is the last one. 4 goals, 1, 7. It was away. And then here when it was home, 3 goals and then away 4. Let's look at the derby. No, guys, more I want to give it, like, I want to give Fulham a straight win. Fulham is number 1, guys. Let's just, this is so beautiful. Playing with a game that is number last with 0 point. I hope they behave well. Yes. I think that was the last one. Yep, that was the last one, guys. So that's about it. I will, as usual, write the odds on the heading, and yes, I hope you guys win this one. Honestly, I didn't take this one. This one is too safe. But I wanted to make like a 2 odds for you guys. I mean a 3 odds or so for you guys. I might go in with it as well, but yeah, I will look at it. I will check it if it went through. It's too safe. It's too safe. If it doesn't go through, I don't know, guys. Hey, what's I don't know, because this is so safe. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. I'm not posting a code tomorrow on the WhatsApp group. I'm not posting a sleep. I am doing another video, and then I'm doing another video. I'm gonna post a code on Saturday, guys. I'm gonna post a code on Saturday and Sunday, and then videos as well. So I'll see you guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Turn on your post notification, comment, like the video, share if you have to, just to show me support, guys. I love you, and yeah, till tomorrow.